opportunity, and every student is empowered to succeed. ESPAS ay isang tahanan kung saan ang pananabik at oportunidad ay nagtatagpo, at bawat mag-aaral ay may kakayahang magtagumpay. Ang ESPAS ay nagsisimula noong May 14, 1969. ESPAS is a school where students are inspired to pursue their dreams and make an impact.
Ang mga karanasan at kaalaman na natutunan ko sa paglipas ng mga taon.
Personally, St. Francis of Assisi School, or SFAS, has been a place of refuge for me, and it has been a home for me. I have been in SFAS for more than 15 years now, and in that span of 15 years, I've been in and out. But I would always come back because SFAS will always welcome me with open arms, and I feel happy to be part of SFAS because again, it's my home, and it has helped me a lot in my formation as a teacher and as a formator to students and to the young people.
Hesitate to recommend ESPAS to other people, especially to those school children who wish to study. Why ESPAS? Because at ESPAS, we provide to all our school children a holistic formation. We do not only focus on academic excellence, although we really work hard for academic excellence, but we also work hard for the overall character formation of all the students who will come to study at ESPAS. At ESPAS, students will find happiness, enjoyment, because of so many exciting and interesting activities for the whole year round. Every month, there is always an activity for the students to enjoy and to look forward. And in those activities, the students or the children learn many things, not only in academic, but as well as in real life situation. So, if you have friends who are not studying at ESPAS, you recommend also, like the way I recommend ESPAS for others. We welcome everyone who wish to study at ESPAS. ESPAS provide a good learning environment for everybody. Thank you very much.